Hi students, welcome to today's section. I hope all of you are fine and safe. In the previous class, we discussed about the latitudinal and longitudinal lines of Earth. Today, we will continue the chapter. Students, you know that Earth is a planet in the solar system. It rotates on its own imaginary axis while revolving around the Sun. The spinning of the Earth on its own imaginary axis is called rotation. The part of the Earth facing the Sun due to rotation gets illuminated and experiences day. As the opposite face does not get sunlight, night is experienced there. Day and night is experienced one after the other due to the rotation of the Earth. The Earth takes 24 hours to complete one rotation. It is considered as a day. The Earth's rotation occurs west to east direction. Because of this rotation, we see the sun rising in the east. Students, have you noticed the changes in the shadows over the day? A light source is needed to make a shadow. Shadows are formed by blocking the light. The size and position of the shadow depends on the direction and position of the light source with respect to the object. Shadow of a person or thing always appear in the opposite direction from the light source. During the sunrise, the shadow of an object will always be towards the west and longer. The shadow of an object during the sunset will always be towards east and longer. When the sun is high in the sky, the shadows are much shorter and will point at north and south according to the hemisphere. So students, the shadows are longer in the morning and evening because the sun rays are slanting in the morning and evening. At noon, it is high in the sky and the shadow is short. Next, revolution of Earth. Along with the rotation on its axis, the Earth also moves around the Sun. The movement of the Earth around the Sun is called revolution. The path of the Earth moving around the Sun is called an orbit. The Earth revolves around the Sun in a counterclockwise manner. It takes 365 and quarter days to complete 1 year. But 1 year normally has 365 days. The remaining quarter part of a day will be considered as a full day once in every 4 years. Thus, every fourth year has 366 days and is called a leap year. Season. A season is a period of the year that is distinguished by special climate conditions. We can experience different seasons in a year. Do you know why these seasonal changes occur? We experience different seasons because of revolution of the earth. In India, we experience 6 different seasons throughout the year. They are spring, summer, monsoon, autumn, pre-winter and winter. Do you know what is the speed of the revolution of the earth? The speed of revolution of the earth is 96,000 km per hour. Students, do you know the problems faced by the earth? Like excess population, pollution, excess exploitation of resources, global warming, etc. How can we overcome these problems? We can plant more trees, discourage deforestation, check the use of plastic, and stop the wastage of resources. So students, in this chapter we discussed about the unique shape of the earth is called geoid The latitudes and longitudes are imaginary lines drawn based on the angular distances from the center of the Earth. The locations on the Earth are determined based on the lines of latitudes and longitudes, and day and night are caused by the rotation, and seasons are caused by the revolution of the Earth. So students, that's all from this chapter. I hope all of you understood today's section. We'll meet you in the next class. Thank you.